Yep. Just a little mohawk action going on here.
Put a little water on it.
No, I think it's good now. You don't have one. Whoa, it's getting pretty intense out here.
Okay, I'm gonna have you guys stand a little bit close.
Ew. Not touching you. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you.
Stop it.
I'm not touching you. You're sweating. We got the AC blasting.
We did the other day too, and it was so hot.
What
It
is
was
this
hot.
called?
Torture?
It's not called videotape. It's today's
E-learning? E-learning?
e-learning. Is that what this is? This process that
Dad joke.
that
What
you're
is it?
doing.
Do you like how I spelled welcome?
I did. I thought you did that on purpose. Welcome.
Yeah, I'm just going to say welcome.
That's not enough.
That's what Barry's going to say.
That's what it says
Who
on
is
the
it
paper.
for?
Then I'm just going to say, who is it for?
I'm going to say,
See?
not
You're all up
replacement
right
for
there.
in
Yeah,
person.
welcome. That's it.
Now?
Yeah, you can't sneeze and nap
No.
when you're out in the bush.
No, you can't sneeze and yap.
It does. I'm standing here today because of that trick.
We have 4 different instructors in this class, and they are each unique individuals with their own building experiences.
Their own different bodies,
No, I think
their
they're
own
bodies.
mindsets.
What's next after
They,
that?
they have different techniques, for example.
Okay.
They
Some of
employ
them are
different
from Venus
techniques.
and some of them are from Mars.
Dad, you're looking a little zoned out.
Where do you see that?
Yeah, well, it's capturing all of us, and you're just kind of.
And where do you see it?
He just looked
Oh,
over at you.
I'm
Oh, you
every
looked
once in a
over at
while
me.
I look over at Blueberry
I
to
see.
try and keep it interesting. I have a hard time just staring at the camera and
Just slow pan.
hi. I'm not talking
I was
right
thinking
now.
of one.
I'm
I was thinking of
listening.
one phrase that I'd like to add
I can
on the
see.
45-year thing.
I can see you're deep in there,
Do you
but
want to do that right now?
keep smiling, Pat. The guy that runs the mics is actually called Mike. The funniest part about Mike's name being Mike is that he ran into the room the other day and said, "I'm having a mic problem." I said, "No doubt, I'm having a gayest problem." On Wednesday, we forgot to ask Mike what day it was, too. That was another. Mike, 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 what day is it? Mike, Mike, what day is it? Hump day.
Thank you very much for watching these 3 fools make idiots of themselves.
He's been holding that one in for a while.
Timber frame. It's awesome.
Timber frames.
Chiseling a thick man.
Chisel, fazizzle. Yizzle. Yo, timber frames, y'all.
I noticed that they just both bolted. I'm not rapping.
Chisel, fazizzle.